Welcome to the Layered Bob collection from MHDPro. This collection teaches you how to create a variety of layered bob techniques that broaden your hairdressing skills. You will learn how to adapt the type of layered bob you provide your clientele based on requirements and hair characteristics. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Stacey Broughton demonstrates a soft, chic, mid-length shape with the focus firmly on elevation and over-direction to achieve a classic mid-length layered bob. Bastian Casaretto continues in Lesson 2 as he shows you how a clean A-line can be graduated before using elevation to layer the internal shape. The result creates soft framing lengths. Lesson 3 outlines a mid-length safety razor cut that creates a loose, shattered, versatile, salon-friendly layered bob with Manfred Knoll. In Lesson 4, we are back with Bastian as he demonstrates a perfect internal layered bob shape. This technique combines elements of layering, graduation and over-direction to create a strong internal head shape with a versatile outcome. And finally, in Lesson 5, Michael Cohen guides you through a classic disconnected layered bob, which can be cleverly worked to create a bespoke outcome for your clientele. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop, and master the skills delivered in the Layered Bob collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Layered Bob collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.